I have to put out this video based on popular demand. So many questions about how to buy ton, and a lot of you are not even satisfied with the previous videos that I made about this. So I am going to make a complete beginner's tutorial on how to buy ton and also how to send the ton from your Bybit to any ton wallet you are using. So please make sure to see this video to the end. Yeah, the first thing you need to do is you need to get registered on Bybit. You need to have a Bybit account, and this is because you can only do the Naira P2P on Bybit right now. And by the way, there is no ton on Binance. So those of you asking how you can get ton on Binance, it is not possible. We are going to be doing this on Bybit. So there is a link on my profile. Make sure to create a Bybit account and do your KYC verification. It won't take much time, say 30 minutes, 1 hour, or less. So let me assume we all have a verified Bybit account and a ton wallet. Yeah. So this is the first interface when you open the Bybit. Under the home, okay, this is what you would see. Below the screen, you're going to see assets at the right corner. Okay, so we're going to tap on assets. Then you're going to see funding. You're going to see unified. You're only interested in the funding wallet. Yeah, that is where you're going to do P2P. So we enter the funding wallet. Under the funding wallet, you're going to see deposits. So tap on deposits. We want to make a deposit here. And we are going to be using the P2P trading. You tap on the P2P trading. What we want to do is, first of all, get USDT. Then we'll use the USDT to buy ton. Then we will now send the ton to our ton wallet. Yeah. Now you have buy and you have sell. What we want to do is buy. So make sure it is on the buy. So these are different traders, merchants that are ready to sell. All these ones are ineligible, so you cannot patronize them. So let's scroll down. See the ones you have buy. Here, those are the ones you can patronize. So how much ton do you want to buy? You can buy here as low as even 5,000 naira, even 3,000, 10,000 naira here. I'm going to explain the downside of buying very small later. So for now, just watch and learn how you can buy ton. So let's say we want to buy USDT now, and what's let me say 10,000 naira. On this interface, you can see that you see the merchant's name. This one, BitLord FX. See how much it is trading per naira, 1,525 naira per dollar. Sorry. You can buy from 2,000 to 4,000 from this person, but he is ineligible. The next one is Dan Exchange, and this is the rate. He has a quantity of $100, so you can buy from 135k to 140k from him. And you're seeing bank transfer, which means you are going to do bank transfer into their account, then they'll release the token to you. Also, at the front of every trader, you're going to see the percentage, how quick they are in transactions. So you see this person is 93%, and the total orders that this guy has done is 962 orders. Okay, so I advise that you always trade with somebody that's is being rated over 90%. Anything 90 above is good. Instead of me scrolling down, looking for all these people, looking for who is selling within the amount that I want to buy, I can simply tap on this amount here. And then I will now put the amount that I want to buy. I want to buy USDT worth 10,000 naira, for example. Or let's say I want to buy 50,000. Okay, I don't want this video to be long. This person is 92, so let's quickly tap on it. And then I'm going to put in 50,000. And I'm going to have 32.7 cents USDT. So let's do it. On this page, you see pay now below. I'm going to tap on that pay now. This is his account number. So I'm going to tap on it. You can see the bank. As you can see, I have made the transfer successfully. So I'll just head back to my Bybit now. Let's open Bybit. Okay, this is where it brought me. Let's go back, go to assets, follow the process, go to deposit, then go to P2P, acknowledge. You see this order in progress here. Tap on it to take you to your pending order. Then you can see this pending payments. Just tap on it to open this interface. Then you say pay, then you say payments completed. I've completed the payments. Yes, I understand the risk. I've made payments. Make sure you've done the payment before confirming that you have, so that when they ask you for proof, you will not be found guilty. Okay, I think this person sent me a message. He said, I'm online. Now, this is how to access the message box. You see contact seller. That's where I tapped. Open here, you can converse with this person. Now, I have paid. You can say, please confirm and release coin. Good. So this is where you can communicate, like I said. don't pay kobo. Actually, I didn't pay kobo. We don't pay kobo on P2P. And also, when you are sending money to anybody here, don't put a description or a narrative that is cryptocurrency related. If not, both your account and the person's account, is not safe. So don't put any narrative. You can just put your name there if you must put a narrative. When this person confirms on his end that he has received the money, Bybit will automatically credit me with $32.7, which is the equivalent of 50,000 naira at the moment. Okay, so let's wait for that. This is it. It took approximately 1 minute and few seconds. This order, got approved. And here, I'm just going to tap done here because you see it has been completed and I've received this amount. So let's do done. And it brought us here. So let's go back. See the arrow pointing back. Just go back, go back. So now you can see that we have 32 points, whatever, in my wallet, and it is under this funding wallet. Funding wallet is meant for receiving any cryptocurrency and also sending out any cryptocurrency. But if you want to trade that cryptocurrency, say you want to buy Ton now, you will not be able to buy Ton under the funding wallet. It is the unified trading wallet that you can use to do any trade. So having said that, we'll need to move our USDT because it's USDT we bought. Where is it? Okay, this is it here. We bought USDT. So it is USDT we bought, see it here, and it is under our funding wallet. So we need to move it into the unified trading wallet. This is where we'll be able to use the USDT to buy Ton. Okay, so let's go. We're going to do transfer. You can open the funding wallet and do transfer here. So you're transferring, look this top, from unified account to funding wallet, which is not what we want to do. We want to transfer from funding account to unified accounts here. So you're just going to tap on these two arrows pointing the opposite direction of themselves. So you do like this, and up here you can see now it is funding account to unified account, which is what we want. And under the coin, it is not Solana we want to transfer, it is USDT. So you're just going to tap here and select USDT. You can see it at the top. Now that we have selected our USDT, we'll now put the amount. If you want to send some fraction, you can put the amount here, but me, I want to transfer everything. So I'll do max transfer. So this transfer is between one wallet to the other wallet. So I have transferred from my funding account to my unified account. So see it under my unified account now. Good. So since it is under my unified account, I can now go and buy Ton. How do I buy Ton? You see these spots that you see here below your screen. When you tap on the spot, you're going to see your balance reflecting. You're going to see that it is under buy. You're going to see sell. And forget about everything you see on this interface. Just do exactly what I'm about to show us. And that is how you can buy Ton. You see where there is Bitcoin / USDT, BTC / USDT. You're going to tap on that place. In case your own is not showing BTC / USDT, whatever it is that is showing there, don't worry. Just tap on it. And it will give you a space to search. You see this, please enter preferred trading pair. That's where you're going to tap and you're going to search for Ton, T-O-N. Now, the first Ton you see, under it, you see spots. The second one you see, under it, you see USDT perpetual. We are not interested in the perpetual. We are interested in the spots. So you're just going to tap on that one, that Ton USDT, the first one. Now, on this page, we are going to buy Ton. That's why you see it on buy. If you want to sell, it's on sell, but we don't have a business with selling right now. It's buy or want to buy. So take it back. Make sure it is on buy, this green. And you see where you have limits. Tap on that limit and change it to market. You just want to do what I'm saying. Let's not make this video so long. If you want to learn how to trade or other things, you can go to join my Telegram channel and go through the beginner's course. But this video is just to teach you strictly how to buy. So now that you've changed it to market, how many USDT do you want to use and buy Ton? So for example, if it is 5 USDT you want to use, you're going to put 5 here. If it is all the USDT you have in your account that you want to use to buy Ton, all you need to do is drag this to the end. And you see 100%, it is $32.76 that I have. And I'm going to use all of them to buy Ton. But no, that's not what I want. So let's just buy Ton of $5. I'm giving an example now, $5. So let's do buy. Straight up, we have Ton in our wallets as I'm talking to you. So let's go back to our assets. So right now I have 0.65 Ton. Those of us that are requesting for 0.1 Ton, let me show you how much 0.1 ton is. 0.1 ton is equivalent to $0.7, which is very small. See what will happen if I want to buy 0.1 ton now. See, you see, so the minimum you can buy is 0.36, which is $2.7. Please take note of this. You would also need to buy more, because when you are sending this ton out, you would pay fee. So if you buy this exact 0.36 of ton, when you are sending, you will not have money to pay for gas fee, so you will not still be able to withdraw or transfer to your ton wallet. So make sure you buy at least 0.5, which is $3 to $4. Right now I have 0.654 of ton, and it is 4.76. I think the price of ton dropped. Okay, so I want to withdraw this to my ton wallet. What I need to do, first of all, like I said, is you need to transfer this from your unified account to your funding account. So let's go to transfer, and then we're going to do from unified to funding account, and under this coin we'll change it to TonCoin, because it is TonCoin we want to transfer. And then I'm going to do max. Okay, then I'm going to transfer from unified to my funding. Now I've successfully done that. Let's go to our funding. You will see that under our funding we have ton wallet. Now if we open this ton wallet, you will now be able to withdraw. You will see withdraw below the screen. So tap on the withdraw where you're sending the ton to. You paste the wallet address here. So let's go to our ton keeper and get the wallet address of ton that we are going to be sending to. So I'm going to, so yeah, this is my ton keeper, and on this interface I'll just tap on receive, because I want to receive ton here. And of course I'm going to copy this wallet address. Remember, it is just wallet address that was given here. They didn't give us a memo or a tag. So let's go to bybit. We're going to paste it here, paste the address. Then the network is definitely ton. Then under the memo you can see that it is optional. They said please make sure if a destination tag memo is required, make sure to paste it here, and we're not given. So check out very well. If you're sending your ton to any exchange or any wallet that requires memo, make sure to post that memo or that tag here, else your money would not go to its destination. This is very important. But here ton keeper does not require a memo, so we skip it. Then under the amount we are going to put, let's say I want to send everything here. Okay, I am going to be charged, you see the fee bar, 0.1 ton. Let me tap on withdraw, you'll see it. So you'll be charged 0.1 ton for this fee, which is like $0.7. And when you tap on confirm, you can, they will send you a verification code to your email, and then I use Google Authenticator. Then yeah, put it and do confirm, and your ton will be transferred immediately or in a very short period of time to your ton keeper. This brings us to the end of how you can buy USDT, buy ton, and send ton to your ton keeper. I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and also drop a comment if you have any other question.